Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you if you are using WhatsApp and if you want to use WhatsApp payment in WhatsApp applications. So how can you start WhatsApp payment? So all the steps will be in today's video. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. To enable WhatsApp payment in WhatsApp application, you have to open the WhatsApp application first. Once you open the application, this is the kind of interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. So you have to click on three vertical dots which are on the right hand side top corner. So once you click on three vertical dots, you will get multiple options on this page as you can see, but you have to select payments option in this one. So after selecting payment option, we are on the next page, and on this page you can see right now currently there are multiple options over here. So finish setup, send payment, scan payment, QR code, and you will be able to see history over here. But if you're using WhatsApp payment for the first time, then you won't be able to see any history over here, and you get an option of add payment method at the bottom. So all you have to do is you have to click on finish setup over here to start with WhatsApp payments. So once you click on finish setup, we are on the next page, and on this page you have to select the bank accounts, and if you are looking for a particular bank, then all you can do is you can click on the search option which is at the top. So after clicking on search option, you can type the bank which you want to add. So I'm going to type Kotak Mahindra Bank over here. Now it will show you a message of verification. So it will verify from your registered mobile number and it will show you your account number, and then you will be able to add. So all you have to do is you have to click on verify over here. So make sure that the SIM card is in this same device so that you can activate WhatsApp payment. So I'll click on verify over here. So currently you can see it is sending SMS to your bank. So these are the process involved in verification. Now at the last stage, now you can see we are on the next page, and here bank account is shown. So it verified from the backend with the registered number, and you can see there was a message from bank as well at the top. All you have to do is the bank is shown over here. Now you have to click on add option. So the verification is successful. Now bank is been added. So you can see the bank name over here. You can now send and receive money on WhatsApp. So either you can start by sending payment or you can directly click on done. So I will click on done over here. So now you can see at the start of this video, there was an only add payment option over here, but currently we have added Kotak Bank account over here. So the account is been shown. Now you will be able to send payment by clicking on send option, or if you want to scan any QR, you can scan the QR code and you can do the payment. So these are the simple steps which you have to follow to enable WhatsApp payment. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. You can share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Now I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.